Casting shadows long and deep. A new day dawns, but my heart remains asleep. For this is not just any day, it's a journey start, leaving behind all that I know to fill my heart. Tone of departure, a bittersweet goodbye. A new chapter starts beneath the open sky. With hope in my heart and dreams in my eyes, I'll face the unknown and seize the prize. I've packed my bags and said my farewells to friends and family with two-filled cells. But I'm ready to face whatever may come. A new adventure awaits. I'll be strong and numb. Tone of departure, a bittersweet goodbye. A new chapter starts beneath the open sky. With hope in my heart and dreams in my eyes, I'll face the unknown and seize the prize. I've packed my bags and said my farewells to friends and family with tear-filled cells. But I'm ready to face whatever may come. A new adventure waits. I'll be strong and numb. Tone of departure, a bittersweet goodbye. A new chapter starts beneath the open sky. With hope in my heart and dreams in my eyes, I'll face the unknown and seize